Ciao. Anyway, so
Hi guys, so I finished my morning meditation or the last meditation for that 12th day, day number 12, and I did the love meditation for Sadhguru. I always try to make this meditation a basic in everyday basics because this meditation gives me so much love and so much joy, as I told you before, and I feel so calm after I did this meditation, even if I didn't concentrate and have completely focus on it, but even just listening to it and try to be present as much as I can and give me so much love and so much peace inside my heart. So I did that meditation in my last meditation for my 12th day. Okay. So far I feel so much love inside my heart again, even if after this big decision it kind of breaks my heart, but um I don't regret it. I still don't regret it. I feel like it was the right decision for me. So somehow it's kind of weird, but even if it's a breakup, so it's a massive thing, but somehow I feel so much peace inside to the level makes me feel weird about myself. I feel like something certain in my heart. I can't put my finger on it, but that feeling it's beautiful. So far day 12 is a success, and I still feel calm. I still feel love. I still feel I don't need love from outside. I feel I generate love. I'm the source of love. I am love. That feeling is amazing when you reach that feeling. You begin to work on it. You just feeling you are growing, just like a plant. You just water it every day, and this feeling begin to grow in your heart. You feel like I can't even describe it, guys, but when you really reach that point, it's amazing feeling, and I'm so pleased to feel that way. And as I told you, I feel like something is certain in my heart. I just feel so calm in my heart, guys, to the level that I'm not worrying about anything at all. And that's weird, but in the same time makes me so happy, really really happy. So far day 12 is a success, and I can't wait to continue last 2 days for the second week for you guys, because I'm so happy and really hope that what I'm doing just help any one of you, and I really hope that you can feel how I feel right now and even better. So I'm gonna see you in the next day. I love you so much.